Country Chick 23. I'm here with another vlog. Hey guys, just got back from school. So yeah, I don't know what to do today. Like, I have no clue what we're doing today at all. So, okay. Let's just, I don't know, say hello to my dogs. Lucy, give me 10. Good girl. Shake, shake, shake. Lucy, good girl. Charlie, give me 10, boy. Okay, he just eats something. I have no clue. I don't want to even mess with him. Football, basketball, and football. Bonfire. Yeah, so. I don't know what to do. But anyway. House. That's my house. No mail. I don't know what to do, guys. That's my house. Let's go over here. Okay, we're here. Break. Oh, snap. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, I scared him. So, guess what I'm gonna do is try to scare him again. So, yeah, he better be watching out. Okay, so, yeah, I scared him pretty bad a minute ago, but, yeah. I guess I'm gonna try again. Same tactic, but I'm gonna scare Carlos this time. So, yeah. There's Carlos, he sees me. Hey, bud! Oh my god. You're too easy to scare.
Saucy.
Who here?
You're too easy to scare.
Who's sassy? Saucy.
Don't, I'm stripping. It's hot.
Me gusta.
It's hot in here.
In your truck, yeah? Oh, here it feels
Are you
good.
making a video?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube now because I scared you. When I made the other one, I pressed
You
pause.
don't make no YouTube video.
Yeah, I already posted one.
No what?
How many views it get?
I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet.
0.
You got 0.
I don't got no views.
That means you got none.
Exactly.
You know what rain is?
Probably with whatever Will.
Why? What would you make you think that?
Because she loves him. I mean, he loves her.
Everybody knows it.
Yeah, everybody does. Mama even knows it.
Your mom?
Yeah.
What? Does she care?
It does?
No.
That's a.
What's Raina think?
Yeah, what's Raina?
Raina, they didn't say anything to Raina yet.
They haven't made jokes about her yet, like I do.
No.
We do that all the time. Right?
But Mama said that.
He better watch himself.
No. Mama said he's a good boy. So he's a good boy. He's a nice boy. He's a good boy.
He poops.
He poops. Doesn't everybody? Doesn't everybody?
I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Bird does.
What?
We know he poops. He's a bird.
Poop every day.
People cars. No, I'm not.
One day it's frozen, one day it's on fire.
It's old. Sniff it.
Water don't get old.
Yeah, huh?
Not necessarily.
It does. Mama said it does.
Come on.
Don't say my mom's stupid.
I didn't say it's just
What?
stupid.
Mama says that.
My mom said.
Mama say.
Smelly is a little.
Nah, I'm good. Or I can tell they smell bad.
No, that's not good.
No, they don't.
Smell like girls.
You think these shoes are fly though, don't you?
No.
I think they're cool.
These are swaggerlicious.
What did I say? Foot. Oh,
You can't tell me them aren't swag.
Foot.
Footy.
Foot
your
Foot joy.
Is that a good golf brand or? I don't know.
You play golf
Yeah.
with Will?
I mean, he's not a player. He just plays a lot.
To a player.
Now you are. You're bench warmer.
Fine with me.
You're a water boy.
I get the nice stuff they give us.
You're a water boy.
I should try that.
I get me some good clothes to wear.
Me too.
You're a water boy. That's what your name is.
It's fine with me.
Why is that so hot in your truck?
Because
I'm tired. I gotta poo, man.
No, it's not.
we ain't getting out till they get here.
But I gotta poo.
I don't care.
Go
I'm gonna
poo.
poo right here in your
You
face.
know, all right, you go ahead. You go poo.
I do, for real.
Go poo.
I will. I'll be back. Just don't leave. How long are you gonna do that?
Take it with you.
You take it.
No, I don't want to come in there.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't need to come my poo.
Your poo.
Okay, bro. I'll be back.
Poo.
Take a picture of me. Tell me.
Okay, guys. Yee.
Alright.
Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.